In this video, I will tell you how to send money from Payoneer to Binance.
First, access the Binance application and verify your login status. While Binance doesn't directly accept Payoneer transfers, we can utilize an intermediary bank account. Navigate to the Pay to Residence bank account section within Payoneer. Add your banking details to facilitate the transfer from Payoneer to your bank. Complete this transfer process through Payoneer's interface. Once funds arrive in your bank account, you can then initiate a transfer to Binance. This two-step process ensures your money moves securely between platforms. Verify all banking information carefully to prevent transfer errors. Allow sufficient time for the bank transfer to complete before attempting the Binance deposit. When transferring to Binance, select the appropriate deposit method matching your bank's capabilities. Follow Binance's specific instructions for bank transfers to ensure successful processing. This method provides a reliable pathway between Payoneer and Binance accounts.
And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.